Hi everyone, welcome to English Box, Easy English with Julia and Tom. This podcast helps you learn English for real life, step by step, one small conversation at a time. I'm Julia, and I'm very happy you're listening today.
And I'm Tom. Hello to all our amazing listeners. If you're learning English and sometimes think, I understand, but I don't know what to say, you are not alone.
Yes, that feeling is very common. Speaking English can feel scary, even when the words are simple.
So today, we're here to help. No long grammar rules, no difficult words.
Instead, we'll practice useful English, the kind you can use every day.
Like saying hello to a neighbor.
Making simple plans with friends.
Or talking to someone in a shop.
We'll speak slowly and clearly, so you can practice anywhere, while preparing breakfast, commuting to work, walking, doing housework, relaxing at home, or enjoying a quiet moment before bed.
You can just listen, or you can repeat with us, out loud or quietly in your head. Both are great.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through calm, natural conversations like this, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep creating practical lessons for you.
So relax, take a deep breath,
and let's start learning English for everyday life, together. Everyday small talk. Let's start with a very common everyday situation. You're waiting in line at a cafe, maybe for coffee or breakfast, and someone nearby starts a short conversation.
This could be a neighbor, a coworker, or just someone you see often. You don't know them well, but a little small talk feels natural.
Exactly. These conversations are short, friendly, and relaxed. You don't need long or perfect sentences.
Let's begin with greetings. You might say, "Hi, how's it going?"
Or simply, "Good morning."
If you've seen the person before, you can say, "Nice to see you again."
Very natural, very common.
After greeting, people often talk about what's happening right now. For example, "Long line today."
Or, "It's really busy this morning."
You can also talk about the place. "This cafe is always popular."
Or, "I come here quite often."
Let's pause for a quick grammar note. When we talk about something happening right now, we use the present continuous.
For example, "I'm waiting for my coffee."
Or, "I'm just grabbing a latte."
The word just makes the sentence sound casual and friendly.
Small talk often includes simple opinions, too.
Like, "The coffee here is really good."
Or, "I like this place. It's cozy."
These are short opinions, but they make the conversation feel natural.
Now let's talk about ending the conversation politely. When it's almost your turn, you can say, "Looks like it's my turn."
Or, "Anyway, I should order."
And a friendly closing could be, "Nice chatting with you."
Or simply, "Have a good day."
Let's put everything together in a short conversation.
"Hi, how's it going?"
Pretty good. Long line today, huh?
"Yeah, it's really busy this morning."
This place is always popular. I come here quite often.
Same. "The coffee here is really good."
Totally agree. Oh, looks like it's my turn.
Yep, nice chatting with you.
You too. Have a good day. Now, dear listeners, let's practice together. You can repeat after us or change the words to match your life. First sentence, "I'm waiting for my coffee."
Try this one. "I come here quite often."
Another natural sentence, "It's really busy this morning."
And one more. "Nice chatting with you."
Great job.
Remember, short sentences are perfect for small talk.
You don't need to impress anyone. Just be clear and friendly.
And with situations like this, English becomes part of your real daily life, not just something from a textbook. Making simple plans. Now, let's move on to another very common situation, making simple plans with friends. This could be for coffee, a movie, or just spending a little time together.
Yes, these are the kinds of plans we make all the time. But many English learners feel unsure about how to start.
The good news is you don't need complicated English. Simple, friendly questions work perfectly.
Let's start with inviting someone. A very natural question is, are you free today?
Free means you don't have other plans. If you have time, you're free.
Then you can make an invitation. For example, do you want to grab a coffee? Or do you want to see a movie?
Grab a coffee means have coffee together. It's casual and very common in everyday English.
Now, let's talk about how to respond. If you want to go, you can say, yes, sure.
Or, that sounds nice.
If you're not sure yet, you can say, let me check.
And if you can't go, that's completely okay. You can say politely, sorry, I'm busy.
This sentence is short, polite, and very natural.
After that, people usually talk about time and details.
You can ask, what time works for you?
Or suggest a time. Let's meet at 6.
Let's is great because it sounds friendly and cooperative.
To finish the conversation, you can say, see you later.
Or simply, see you then.
Let's quickly look at a small grammar point. When we talk about plans, we often use going to.
For example, I'm going to meet a friend later.
Or, we're going to have coffee after work.
This helps your listener understand that the plan is already decided.
Now let's put everything together in a short, natural conversation.
Hey Julia, are you free today?
Yeah, I think so. Why?
Do you want to grab a coffee?
That sounds nice. What time?
Let's meet at 6.
Perfect. See you later.
See you then. Now, dear listeners, it's your turn to practice.
You can repeat after us or change the words to match your life.
First sentence. Are you free this evening?
Try this one. Do you want to grab a coffee?
Now this sentence. I'm going to meet a friend later.
And one more. Let's meet at 6.
Great job.
Remember, making plans doesn't need perfect English.
One clear question and one simple answer are enough.
The more you practice situations like this, the more natural your English will feel. In real life, not just in lessons. Shopping talk. Now, let's talk about another everyday situation. Shopping at a grocery store.
Yes, this is something we all do, and simple English is more than enough here.
You're in a supermarket and you want to ask for help, maybe to find a product or check the price.
Don't worry, you don't need long sentences. Short, polite phrases work perfectly.
Let's start with getting someone's attention. A very common and polite way is, excuse me.
After that, you can ask for help. For example, can you help me, please?
Or you can say what you're looking for. I'm looking for some milk.
You can also say, I'm looking for bread, or I'm looking for fresh vegetables.
Next, let's talk about finding items in the store.
If you don't know where something is, you can ask, where can I find rice?
Or, is this the bread section?
Very simple and very useful. Sometimes you may want to ask about price or quantity.
You can ask, how much is this?
Or, how much are these apples?
You can ask for a specific amount. You can say, can I have 2 kilos, please?
Let's look at a small grammar point.
When we want to be polite in a store, we often use can I or can you.
For example, can you help me find this?
Can I get 2 bottles of water?
These questions sound friendly and natural in grocery stores.
Now let's talk about paying and closing the conversation.
When you're ready to pay, you can say, "That's all, thank you."
At the checkouts, you might ask, "Can I pay by card?"
Or simply say, "By card, please."
And of course, don't forget, "Thank you." Now let's put everything together in a short conversation.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm looking for some milk.
It's in aisle 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, dear listeners, let's practice together.
You can repeat after us or change the words to match your life.
First sentence. I'm looking for some milk.
Now try this one. Where can I find rice?
Next, how much is this?
And one more useful sentence. Can I pay by card?
Great job.
Remember, grocery shopping English is about being clear and polite, not perfect.
With just a few simple phrases, you can shop confidently anywhere.
And the more you practice, the more natural it will feel every time you go to the supermarket. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Today, we practiced useful English phrases for real daily conversations, talking with people around you, making simple plans with friends, and shopping at a grocery store.
These are situations you experience all the time, and that's why they're perfect for practicing English. You don't need long or difficult sentences, just clear, natural ones.
Now it's your turn. Try saying 1 or 2 sentences from today's episode, out loud or in your head.
For example, do you want a coffee? I'm looking for some fruit.
If you enjoy learning English through calm, natural conversations like this, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us continue creating practical lessons for busy learners like you.
Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing, keep it simple, and use English wherever you can, even in small moments.
See you in the next episode.
See you next time.